Futhi Singaba Regional Football League. Siyabonga amaklabhu iweather bengavumi for the better part of the day kepha ngikhonile kudala kule event. Uhlobo bangaba na futhi it's a long story. Even nami liyaqala kusponsorisha sengikhona sengikhohle ukuthi what was the season. But lengakusho we are very happy. Kukhona nema improvement lase abonakala through ukuthi ema club asustainekile ngaphansi kwa Futhisi. La ukhulumela amasizini lamabili alandzelana kulesiwa kuwo both ama champions akhonile qualifier ka Super League. Sikhuluma namhlanje Futhisi kude lo defender lo defending champions le league yethu. Lo win league ohambile. Lokho kuyichaza lelikhulu lelibonakalako ebholeni netinyawo. Lokuhle ke lokwentwana ngama club ku introduce abafana labancane kuyakhuphuka kakhulu. La season ngasho ngathi bayavela. Nakule season lena siyababona ema club asebenzisa youth kakhulu abendi lokulanza the trust in the tested players but obadlalisa kule league yethu. Site nje ex player ka Premier League kule league yaseNgaba. Kusibambisa kwa Futhisi siyakujabulela kakhulu.